Let me guess. You're planning a holiday, but you're worried about actually disconnecting from work. Don't worry. I've been there and I've got some tips for you that will help you with this. There are very simple steps that you can take to ensure that your holiday goes smooth and work also does not get interrupted or disturbed. So, number one for that, I always suggest that set the boundaries before you go. Communicate to your team about the dates you'll be out of work, and out of office email works really great in this. You can also let people know that this is not the time to communicate with you, and hand over the work that you have well in advance to know that who is actually going to be the go-to when you're not available. Okay. Second, turn off work notification. Stop looking at the email, stop looking at text, stop having the urge to go back on LinkedIn and see if anybody commented. Stop that. You're on vacation to relax. If you are not being able to stop yourself from going in and getting into work, your vacation is going to be ruined. So, control that urge to check in on work. You can go back to work when the vacation is over. The world will not end. Last thing, it's a bit symbolic in nature, like have a detachment ritual or a disconnect ritual. Something like on day one, you take a walk, or you go on a hike, or you journal about what you want to achieve in this vacation, what you want to do. Something to tell your brain that yes, I am disengaging from work mode and I'm going into vacation mode. This works really well, and you won't believe how much it can help somebody. Just remember that disconnecting is not about ignoring your responsibilities. It's about recharging so that you can come back stronger. So, these are my tips. What about you? How do you disconnect from work? Do share in your comments.